Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to Zenith Wellness, where we're all about living frugally, saving money, and making the most of every dollar. And today's video is all about conquering no-spend January while embracing the art of frugal living. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly is no-spend January? Well, it's a challenge where you commit to cutting back on unnecessary spending for the entire month. It's a fantastic way to reset your finances after the holiday season and kickstart your savings goals. For the new year, setting clear goals. First things first. Let's set some clear and achievable goals for this challenge, whether it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving up for a specific goal. Having a clear objective will keep you motivated throughout the month. Creating a budget. Next up, let's talk budgets. Creating a detailed budget for the month will help you track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Remember, every penny counts. Meal planning and batch cooking. One of the biggest areas where we tend to overspend is food. By meal planning and batch cooking, you can save a ton of money and reduce food waste. Playing your embracing the power of DIY. Get creative. Embrace the power of DIY by making your own household cleaners, beauty products, and even gifts. Not only is it cost-effective, but it's also better for the environment. Mindful spending and avoiding temptation. During no-spend January, it's crucial to practice mindful spending, avoid temptation by unsubscribing from marketing emails, unfollowing shopping apps on social media, and finding free or low-cost alternatives for entertainment. Find free activities and resources. Explore free activities in your community. Take advantage of local libraries, parks, and community events. There are plenty of free resources available that can keep you entertained without spending. Reflect and celebrate your achievements. At the end of the month, take a moment to reflect on your progress. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, every step towards your financial goals is a win. And there you have it, folks. No Spend January doesn't have to be a daunting challenge. By implement these frugal living tips, you'll not only save money but also develop healthier financial habits. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips. Until next time, stay frugal and keep saving.